Yep, and let's go to 2021. Fall A. Yep, tell me your answer for number one. Something like this.
C.
Yep, yep, number two. Hmm. Oh, what is this ad? Do you see this ad? I mean,
Yeah, the
yeah,
one with like
yeah,
farmer
like
girl.
this. Yeah. So in number two, so this makes 80. So, this makes.
E.
Yep. Number three. Now it gets a little. It needs a little calculation. Yep. Can you find this answer? This one.
B.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, so we may test one of each. So when a is one, uh, does it become a prime number? Uh, Actually, that's a multiple of three because the sum of digits is a multiple of three. Sum of digit is six, so that's a multiple of three. So this doesn't work. So if this doesn't work, the seven also doesn't work because when a is seven, the sum of the digit is multiple of three. And when the last digit is 5, that's a multiple of 5, so 5 doesn't work. And when the last digit is 3, this is the multiple of 11. I mean, uh, to check the multiple of 11, we are subtracting this odd even digit and odd digit. When the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, the number itself is a multiple of 11. In this case, the sum of the even digit and odd digit is 0. When the last digit is 3, that's a multiple of 11. So only 9 makes the number prime. Yeah, number 5. Yeah, what's this value? Oh, y-
8.
oh, yeah, 8. Yeah, number 6. Yep, so what's this angle?
170.
Yeah, am I right? This is equilateral. Yep. Mm, yep, so can you find the difference? Yep, now what is t minus s?
B.
Yep. So this means for the teacher, I mean, there are 5 teachers, so each probability is 1/5. And so that's why t's expectation number is 20. But in the case of a student, there are 100 students, so that's 100. And then the probability, I mean, uh, the 50 students will be included in the class having the 50 students. So that's why it's 50 squared. They are squared each. So yeah. Okay. Mm. For number 8, so is number 32 included in this LCM between 10 and 30? The 10 through 30? Mm. 10 through 30 contains 16. So it will have when this m will contain the prime factorization of m will have this 2 to the fourth power, but uh, this 32 is 2 to the fifth power. So to make n, we need two more. So uh, the n over m will have this number 2. And for number 33, does m contain this number 33? Because 33 is 11 times 3, it already has this 11 and 30, so we don't have to think about this. And 34, 2 to 17, it contains, these numbers are included in this 10 through 30. 35, it will have these factors. 36, it will have these factors, but 37 is a problem because 37 is a prime. That means we need to multiply 37 to make n, and 38, 19 is included, 39, 13 is included, 40. Yep, so we need these two more factors. Yep, so what's the product of these two?
D.
The product of these two is, yeah,
D.
D, 74. Yep, now where is money? Oh, yeah. Number 9. And now let's copy. So when the surface area and volume are numerically equal, so that means this. So when we divide both sides by 2abc, we have this equation. And let's say these are a, b, and c. So that means if we make the reciprocal, this base, the position, and we switch it, that means 1 over a is log x over 2, other things like this. So in the case of a log, the addition become multiplication. And then if we change this to exponent, it has this expression. So what's the value of x from the choices? when you make the square to each side, value of x is
Isn't it? A? Oh wait, squared. Oh, E.
yeah, 5.7. 24 squared is the answer. Base 9. So when you think of 9, I mean when we are only looking at the remainder. So mm, when 9 is divided by 5, the remainder is 4, and 9 squared is 81. So when it's divided by 5, the remainder is 1. So that means it alternates between 4 and 1. So the odd power makes the remainder 4, and the even power makes the remainder of 1. So the remainder will include this 2. And because this is 5, 5 times 9 is on the it's a multiple of 5. So we don't have to think of 5. That's 0. So like this odd even like this. It alternates like this. So and then we are multiplying on these digits. So 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 7 is 28. 1 times 6 is 6. So that's the 30 is the multiple of 5. So 6 and 2 remains. So when that's divided by 5, what's the remainder? So when 8 is divided by 5, the remainder is 3.
3.
Yeah. Okay. For number 11. Two concentric circles. So if we make the chord like this, so it has the same distance, same length, because the half of the chord lies inside the smaller circle. So the other half will be located outside the smaller circle. Let's say this one is D. So we can make two Pythagorean theorem. So for the smaller triangle, mm, and for the big triangle, so the value of x is Yeah, so what will be the length of the chord if x is 2 times the square root of 6? There are 4 x's. Yep,
E.
8 times square root of 6. Yeah, so I think that's enough for today. So, yep, I'm going to send you 카톡 again for the schedule. So, yep, have a great
Mhm.
day. Yep.
You
Mm-hmm.
too.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. Yeah, bye. Mm-hmm.
Bye.